I made a video on how you can use Elevenlabs for free, and many of you have shared the problem of getting banned on this platform. So I have come up with a possible solution to this problem, and I will show you how I can still generate voiceovers for my videos, even after getting banned on Elevenlabs. Some of you may think that I am making these videos to just make some money. To make it clear, my channel is not monetized, and it might not get monetized ever. So, I am not making videos to make profit, at least not at this moment. Now, when you try to generate a voiceover, it shows this text. To fix this, first go to Play Store and download any VPN. I am using Shark VPN. You may use this too. After installing the VPN, open it, choose a location and connect. You have to watch short ads to add time, as we are using the VPN for free too. After connecting to a VPN, go back to Elevenlabs and reload the page. Now put some text and try generating again. It should work now as you see mine. If it doesn't work at this point, try reloading or turn on and off the flight mode. Also try a different location or another VPN. Most likely it has already worked for you. Subscribe if you find this helpful.